Okay, let me show you the issue that I'm running into now. So I've got this really simple polyglot notebook here, and you can see the first cell, I have some C sharp code. And you can see that currently the kernel is the Python kernel, right? Which is fine, but I don't want that. I want .NET Interactive. And I'm going to restart the kernel. I'm going to run this C sharp code. You see Python is still selected here. So I'm going to select Polyglot Notebook here. I'm going to run it. And we should see our output, which is what I expect. And then I'm going to run this magic command here. And I'm also going to change it to Polyglot. And I'm going to get the expected output, which all that is fine. But this is where things go not so as planned. I've got this cell, and I need to be able to intermix C sharp code with Python code in the same notebook without changing the kernel up here. So if I run this code now, let me just clear this real quick. We'll see that it doesn't execute. I get no output, and it thinks that this is an invalid command, that print does not exist. Usually what that means is that somehow the kernel thinks that this is attempting to be C sharp code. I bet you if I write console write line code, it would execute here. But also notice that it's got Python selected here. So I'll attempt to do this with the Polyglot Notebook selected here. I'll execute. And now we see that the name print does not exist in the current context. This is not good for me. I need to be able to create notebooks that have both of these languages, Python and C sharp, in the same notebook. I have a really important labs exercise that I'm creating for beginners, and I really do not want to have individual notebooks. I think that will create a lot of confusion for people. And I don't want the beginner to have to click back and forth between kernels because some of these folks are going to have very little knowledge of coding. So I'm hoping that someone can help me better understand what I need to do here. If there's a different strategy on how I can approach this other than creating multiple notebooks that target each of the languages, I'd like to have everything isolated in one. So thanks.